Your father, who is still an Ahmadi, right?
Yes.
He did not know either about this excommunication of non-Ahmadis. So he used to think, as Jamaat was telling them, that we do not excommunicate non-Ahmadis, we believe that they are Muslim, etc. But once you showed him the evidence, now then the main point is, instead of engaging with the argument, and the right conclusion was that I have been lied, because Jamaat is giving me one information, but the sources are completely opposite to that. So instead of saying that why I have been lied, and instead of questioning the Jamaat, he basically changed his own position, right?
Right, right. And then he started challenging me. Tu kaun hai? Stuff like that. Like he'd say, only a muttaqi. Hurram is really good for this. In chapter 2, I think the second verse, he said only a muttaqi can touch the Quran. The Quran was made for everyone, from the average illiterate person to the intelligent person. Everyone should be able to read it and understand the basics of it. Some are complicated parts, but Allah makes Islam easy.